there are two types of articles, that is definite article and indefinite article. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. These are the four subdivision of each and every tenses. In the article A, I'm not specifying anything here. I'm just talking about the university. Every new beginning has an end, and every end has a flawless beginning. Hello everyone, I'm Babita Tamaya, lecturer, Department of English, Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, Mysuru. Today I have chosen the topic about comprehension. Before moving on to the comprehension, let's see what's there in today's agenda. So today I'll be discussing about the passage comprehension, basic grammar, tenses, articles and verb. So this is the agenda for the day. With the further ado, I'll begin my session with comprehension. You might be wondering what is comprehension? What does it all mean? Comprehension is nothing but reading a passage or a couple of paragraphs and trying to understand the meaning and attending the set of questions or answering a set of questions. That this is known as comprehension. You might have learned about the passage, that is the unseen passage in your 10th. There is a slight difference here for the CBSE students. When it comes to the CBSE board, there is a slight change here in the passage writing. So what is that slight change here? So the passage will be given, you'll read the complete passage and try to understand what it is, what is the meaning of that passage. And the questions is given, based on the question, the answers will be given. It is like a multiple choice questions. You'll just read the question and mark the or write the correct answer. But when it comes to the state board, it is nothing like multiple choice questions. A set of 10 questions will be given. You need to read the passage thoroughly and you need to answer the questions one below the other. So how many questions you have? There will be 10 questions. All the 10 questions should be answered in a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4 or A, B, C, D. Whatever they have given in the question paper, you need to follow the same thing. They are not going to change anything over there. But all the 10 questions should be in a sequence. This is one thing. And how are you going to attend it? How are you going to write it? So for example, if you're attending the second or the third question, let's take you're attending the third question. So when you take the third question, the answer might be in the second or the fourth line. Or else it might be in the fourth line. But you'll write the answer from the fourth line itself, not from the first line till the fourth line, where you cannot fetch any marks there because the answer goes wrong. So be very cautious when you attend this comprehension. Again, I'm saying you have 10 questions. All the 10 questions should be in a sequence. If you question me, ma'am, are we supposed to read the complete paragraph? If you ask me, I say yes, because you need to know line by line and word by word. Without understanding the passage, it's not so easy to attend the question. This is what about comprehension. Moving to the next topic, that is about articles. How many types of articles are there? There are two types of articles, that is definite article and indefinite article. What is the definite article here? The definite article is the. The is the definite article and the indefinite article is a and an. You might be wondering why ma'am has chosen this topic. Because articles, verbs and tenses, these three grammar parts or these three things play an important role in your English language. So you should be very thorough and very perfect with these three grammar parts or these three grammars. So when I talk about the indefinite article, a and an, when are they used? So a and an are used before a singular noun where we are not specifying anything about. So at that time you use the article a or an. A is also used before a consonant letter. Consonant letter. Which are the consonant letter? It is like B, C, D, F, all these are consonant letters. So before the consonant letters, we use the article A. For example, a girl is dancing. So So this is the consonant letter. G is consonant, and before the consonant letter I have used the article A. So now why it's a girl is dancing? Because I'm not specifying which girl. It might be the girl of class 11 or class 9, class 10. We don't know which girl exactly it is. But put together I'm saying that a girl is dancing. So this is what about the article. Before the consonant letter, we use the article A. And when it comes to the, not only before the consonant letters, sometimes with the vowel letters also we use the article A. Why is it so? For example, university. So when I pronounce this word university, the sound, what the sound you hear in the beginning, university, it sounds U. It sounds Y-O-U. So here the first letter of the sound is Y. It's a consonant letter. So here also we will use the article a university. I hope I'm clear here. Moving on to the next one, that is article an. An is used before a vowel letters. So which are the vowel letters here? The vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Before the vowel letters, we use the article an. For example, ice cream. Ice cream. So I is a vowel. So before the vowel letter, you'll use the article an ice cream. Now like onion, an onion, umbrella. So before the vowel, use the word an umbrella. It's not only before the vowel letters, sometimes with the silent letters also. For example, when I say R, we don't pronounce this word as har. It is R. So when we say R, here R is, its O is pronounced. R is pronounced, not H here. H is a silent letter. So we use the article and R. When I speak about honest, we don't say it as honest. We pronounce it as honest. Oh, it sounds O. So we use the article and honest. So this is the difference between the article a and, that is the indefinite articles. Moving on to the next one, that is the definite article the. When the is used before a noun to specify something. When I'm specifying or when I'm exactly saying this is the thing has happened. So then we use the article the here. For example, the dog bit me and ran away. So here I'm using I'm talking about the dog. So I'm talking about the dog, that I'm just specifying here. What did the dog do here? The dog which bit. I'm talking about the noun, that is dog, and what did the dog do? It bit. It, after biting, what it do? It just ran away. I'm just specifying about the noun. What is it? What happened? What did the dog do to the man? So it says that the dog which bit me, it ran away. Not only before the singular words, it might be before the plural letters also we use the articles. Now it is a group of people. The girls are dancing. So I'm just specifying a group of girls. So the girls are dancing there, or the class 10th girls are dancing. I'm just specifying which class students are dancing. Not only before a group of people, we use the article there, but we also use the article the before the holy books like the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. These are the few examples. And before the names of the rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Ganges. So before the names of the rivers also we use the article the. And one more example I would like to give here is, I spoke about the university here. So when I told when we pronounce this word, it sounds as Y. So we use the article a there. But when it comes to the article the here, indefinite article, here when I'm specifying about a particular university. So if I specify about Mysore, so the Mysore University. Here in the article A, I'm not specifying anything here. I'm just talking about the university. So use the article A. But here I'm just talking about the place here. That is the Mysore. So you use the article the Mysore University. So this is all about the article. That is a, an and the. There are two definite articles, the indefinite and definite articles. Moving on to the next one, tenses. When I say tenses, you might be wondering why ma'am is talking about tenses. In tenses, you might have learned only about the present tense, past tense and the future tense. So in these tenses are subdivided into 4 tenses. I'll be taking up the present tense first. So this present tense is divided into 4 tenses. Under this present tense, the first one will be simple present. Simple present. Present continuous. Present continuous. Present perfect. Present perfect and present perfect continuous. So these are the 4 tenses which comes under the present tense here. That is simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. It's the same thing with the past tense. So it will be simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. These are the 4 subdivision of each and every tenses. So I'm not going in depth here. I'm just briefing about the subdivision of each tenses. So once you start attending the classes, the regular classes, you'll get to know about all the subdivision of each and every tenses. It will be explained there. And the next one is verb. When I say verb, what do you mean by verb? Verb is a action word. That when the action is done, so it means to say that it is a verb. So in the picture you can see a boy is playing. It's the playing. Playing is the action done. The boy is crying or the girl is crying. The baby is crying. So drink, look, listen, ride, build, draw, clap. So all these things are the action verb or the action words where it denotes the verb. This is all about the verbs. So you should be very thorough with tenses, articles and verb. These 3 things play a key role in the English language. Not only the tenses, verbs and the articles is important, but you have already learned the basic grammars like parts of speech, figurative speech, already you have learned in your 10th. That is also important, but these 3 things are more important here. So that's for the day. Thank you.